Imagine a company fires 90% of its workforce and replaces it with chatbots, or a design company where the best employee of the month is not a human but AI. It's happening all around the world very quietly. In this video, let's explore how AI agents are taking away jobs and how you could stay in the workforce combating AI. So let's talk about a company which has shocked everyone relating AI. In 2023, a startup called Do Not Play has made headlines. It was AI company which was doing your parking tickets. Instead of lawyer, AI was helping you. So here's a twist. AI system was so effective that the company has replaced its own customer support system while using similar models which they were using for their product. For example, an e-commerce company in US has replaced all of its customer support with GPT-4. It's very shocking, right? Bots are doing refunds, they are having calls, they are doing customer support. So the entry-level jobs at this stage are in risk. And the founders of one of those companies has said, "It felt strange when I first fired my employees, but I have to agree, AI is 10x smarter, faster." So if the business leaders are thinking that way, you need to be proactive, or else AI would steal your job. AI in marketing. The marketing industry is in shock. Things like ChatGPT, Gemini, Canva are doing way better designing than the existing entry-level role, with a fraction amount of cost being put into it, putting out millions of dollars worth of output. So the marketing industry is leaning towards AI than hiring entry-level jobs and training them to be better. Agencies have started using apps like Midjourney, Canva, ChatGPT, VO3. For an example, a marketing agency in Poland has replaced 7 out of 10 of its marketing designers because of the evolution of AI doing better jobs than them. But the 3 humans who are left are there because they have augmented their work with AI. They've used AI to fix smaller errors, do their work more efficient, because in this AI world, human touch is still more valuable. But the catch is you have to augment your life with AI. In another case, a media company in Singapore has replaced all of its workforce. The anchors are AI, the voice modules are AI, and the viewers are not even able to recognize if it's AI. It has gone that good. So that's when we all have to realize AI is not just helping people, but it's working alongside you. So you need to be better than AI to be in the workforce. If you're watching this and thinking, will AI take my jobs away? No. Stick till the end, because I've made a video about AI being your personal assistant, helping you throughout this process. And if you like what I'm doing out here, feel free to click that subscribe button and like button. I'll be making one perfect video every week so that it will give loads of value to you, and you do not want to miss the next one. The company with 1 human and hundreds of AI. In 2024, a small startup called Lindy.ai has launched AI employee platform. One entrepreneur startup founders are using hundreds of AI to make a $1 billion company without hiring an employee, HR team, managing the team, making them work more. A startup founder is using AI to make billions of dollars. Each AI was handling a singular role. It was doing sales, either it was doing marketing, or it was being a HR, managing all the teams, being agentic by its role. And the founder was calling it a company run by code. He just had to manage the strategies, and the AI workforce was not resting until he could implement those strategies. And the result, in 3 months, he tripled his revenue. In just 3 months, without hiring a single human. We are entering a world where single person could run $1 billion company without a single person's help. That's possible with only AI augmentation. 10 years ago, it was not even possible. People could not even think about it. But right now, it's a reality. The changing nature of the work. So, what does this mean for us? Students, creators, employees, businessmen. It doesn't mean we don't have job. It means we do not have the old kind of jobs. The jobs are newer. The newer demand is raising. AI engineers, prompt engineers, creative thinking, people management. There are many multiple skills that you need to learn to augment yourself to being eligible for this new type of roles. In early 1900s, machines have replaced people. People have also felt scared that their jobs were lost. But what happened? New jobs were created. The economy evolved. That would happen with AI revolution. Imagine a future where half of your team is humans and half of your team is AI. You need to learn managing AI better, and you are the leader of both. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's in real time. And here's a future case where AI is your real personal assistant. Like Java is kind of an assistant where it would do every single thing that you would ask. Already people are building AI assistants, but it's just a little far away till AGI, where AI is equally important as human intelligence. AI, general intelligence, they say. In Japan, a CEO has built an AI model where it speaks exactly like him so that it would answer calls instead of him, so that he could use this time to do critical work. In India, freelancers are using AI to manage their clients and professional calls. And let's accept creators like me are using AI too. The script that I'm reading right now is made by AI. You would not even believe me. Few of the thumbnails that I've made were directly copied and pasted from AI. That's how good AI has evolved, doing better job than experienced people. So what you can do? So instead of worrying about AI taking your job, try to pick up the skills you need to learn to be able to compete with AI. The rise of AI employees is not the end of workforce, but it's the creation of new type of workforce where AI is working with you alongside. And if you're scared that AI would steal your job and you're clueless how you could augment AI in your life, I've just made a perfect video for you. It's about AI being your personal assistant. Pinned it right here. Go check it out and I'll see you right there.